Hi everyone,
guys.
welcome back to another video.
Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, everyone up there. Enjoy your holidays and don't forget to stay warm. If you guys live in called the snowstorm,
Oh my
it's
gosh.
winter storm. It is crazy here. We are in Texas, San Antonio. It's 19 guys, 19 degree Fahrenheit, which is cold.
Yes guys, so we are going to
San Diego, California. Yeah, we are doing the road trip. First time we are trying. It's 18 hours. We're gonna we're gonna take a break between.
we're taking you guys
Yeah.
with us. So vámonos, let's go.
Hey guys, we are here in road trip. What is this place called? Ozano. You guys wanna see Ozano, Texas? You guys wanna see the temperature of this city? 13 guys. It's outside. It's ice. Please stay warm. This is a rest area. When you guys driving road trip, you guys can see it. Rest area is like, you know, every 5 miles, 10 miles, depends on the area. So you can go either use the restroom if you guys want to relax a little bit.
Oh, look
You
at
wanna
this.
have,
It's
like,
really
food.
nice.
It's nice, very nice here, guys.
Yeah, look at this.
Watch for snakes.
Oh, that's what it says?
Yep, look at these guys. They're watching you.
That is so scary. Anyway, so
Yeah, so like I said,
Hold on.
yeah, this is, you can relax if you guys want it.
yeah, so we're taking a break right now. Ooh.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go use the restroom.
How many hours did you drive, baby?
Like what? Like
From San Antonio to where we are?
3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 5.5 hours.
Damn, you need a break, honey.
Yeah. I'm just gonna take like a little break. I'm just gonna go walk around a little bit. Go to restroom. I'm tired, guys. I took a nap only last night. Only 30 minutes. I didn't even sleep. You guys can see my hair is messy. Where is my beanie? So stay with us. You know, we will show you guys more adventure stuff, like cool stuff in our road
I'm
trip.
so tired. I don't want to show you my eyes.
It's okay. They will understand.
I'm super tired. So.
Alright, guys.
முறுக்கு வாங்கிட்டு வந்தேன் நம்ம இந்தியன் groceryல இருந்து. This is snacks. It's already 10 o'clock. This is my breakfast. I had a coffee. This is my breakfast. And it's good to eat when you are long trip, road trip. My wife is going to taste too. It's too spicy. It says jalapeno murukku.
Oh, wow.
Chakri, yeah.
Look at that. Oh. This is a border between United States and Mexico. It's been a long drive, but it's so hard to see the other side because the wall is kind of like too tall. Yeah, we're literally like driving close to the border. It's close to El Paso actually. So Appa's been really good driver right here. He's doing amazing. I'm the one trying to keep him up.
Cheers.
Cheers, not
Cheering.
sleeping.
You're a cheering girl.
But oh, you can see the houses over there. Look, that's Mexico right there. Wow, it's nice.
Police.
Policia.
So we have a 20 to 30 minutes to pass El Paso, which is still Texas. After Texas, we're going to enter New Mexico. So when we enter New Mexico, I think it's like another couple hours drive, maybe 2-3 hours drive. Then we're gonna hit Arizona.
It's a long drive, right, baby?
Yeah, we're gonna take a break in Arizona and stay tuned. Watch for unexpected pedestrian, which looks like the people walk.
This is So, wow. Yeah, so that one it's in Mexico right there. Ooh.
That's nice.
Wow.
It looks like ice to me.
Oh,
Ice.
it's a little city in there.
Really?
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
We are in El Paso City, which is between United States and
Mexico and oh yeah,
yeah,
and the New Mexico
and New Mexico.
and Texas and here it's like
It's like a
two country border and 2 state border, right?
yeah, yeah.
It's cool, guys. We are experiencing some new things.
Use the right lane to take exit 21B onto I-10 West and US 180 West.
21.
So for us, it's like kind of cool experience. It's not only driving around, saving money. You know, we wanted to do this so bad. Road trip. We always wanted to do road trip. We never get a chance.
So this is El Paso, guys. Are you okay with me?
Keep right to merge onto I-10 West toward Las Cruces.
This one. Great experience.
Huh?
This is a great experience. Oh my god.
This is a little bit complicated area. That's why we are showing you guys. Because before that, when we're coming back from San Antonio to all the way to El Paso, it's just a single road and 2 lanes. Only 2 cars can go.
Everything looks different comparing to San Antonio. So this is how everything looks. It's really good. Good morning out there. Oh my god, it's super cold here in Arizona. We had a long drive yesterday. Appa drove 14 hours from San Antonio to Arizona, guys. So we stay here at the Hyatt place. Beautiful. We were so tired, but now we're ready to hit the road in San Diego.
Hi, good morning, guys. Today is the morning, next day.
Yeah.
We came last night, you know, like my wife said, we came last night, we got knocked out, I was so tired.
Yeah.
And, you know, kids got tired too. So we're waking up today, we got some breakfast, like we said. We are hitting the road to go to San Diego. We wanted to show you guys, we rent the Airbnb. A nice place. We'll show you guys. Stay tuned. This is a car we rented for our road trip. It's very comfy, guys. Big space, 8 passenger, really good. So before we buying a car, we wanted to try this car.
Yeah,
we really loved it too.
I like it.
Yeah, this is hybrid. You know, hybrid is save gas. It's eco drive.
You're right.
Yeah, it's so good. All right, guys. We will see you guys in San Diego.
Yes, and we can't wait to show you where we're gonna stay. We decided not to rent a hotel, so we decided to stay in an Airbnb 3-bedroom house. So yes, we'll see you guys there.
We are here in Arizona rest area. It's beautiful, middle of nowhere. You guys can see the restroom. Very nice. A lot of truck is going around. We just stopped the bar. Chillin, what are you doing? Looking at the trash can. Friends, what are you doing?
Alright. You guys zoom in that one?
Hi guys, we're just taking a break, you know. 3 more hours left. We will see you guys in San Diego.
Guys, I was liking a family field trip. I was liking it so much.
Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Did you get a chance to see a lot of places?
Yes.
So we are entering the mountains right now. Ooh, look at these mountains here, baby guys. Wow.
Trust me. The way I drive, I'm like, man, when is this main road gonna
Oh
come?
my god, this is beautiful.
Rock in the building.
Abba. Abba, how do you feel driving in this
Oh my
road?
god, I'm sorry guys. Look at these cars. Cars is like passing me like there is no tomorrow. So this is the first time I'm driving like that. It scares me, guys.
Look at this, guys. This is amazing. My window is closed.
Yeah, don't even dare say that.
We almost in San Diego, honey.
Yeah.
How many more minutes left do you know?
45 minutes.
You got it. Almost there.
Just wanna spend some time together before everything's gone. It's in the air, can't you feel that good times are coming on? California, here I come. Every heartbeat just like a drum. I hear your rhythm, you feel so near. California, all senses clear.